And one of the biggest things I can pitch to you right now, like massively, make sure you have beautiful branding, even if you suck. And Tracy, I see your hand up, I just noticed. But even if you suck at what you do, if you have beautiful branding, you're going to get more people in the door than someone who's incredible around the corner who has crappy branding. So make sure you get it done. We just ended up like with Revlana, when we launched Revlana, since it comes with a website, what we noticed is a lot of people didn't even have their company name. They didn't have branding. They didn't have anything.
Yeah, no business card, no website, no logo, nothing.
You can't do anything until you get your branding together, and it's fun. It's fun. So, and it's really funny that like, even when I went to Marissa and I'm like, I want to call the company Revlana, Revel means to enjoy, Anna's like nirvana. And then she came to me with this and I went, oh, it's real, wow, that's so cool. So anyway, I mean, you should be working, oh, look at her smile too. You should be working with a designer that really brings that to the table. And we ended up saying, you know what, for $350, flat fee. Anyone wants branding, they're going to get a branding, or they're going to get branding, they're going to get a whole kit of like, logos and files that they can use on every social media platform, favicons that would show up when your website in the tab, all kinds of things. So it just gives you everything you need. And we're like, we're just going to do it if anyone needs it. And it ends up really being really exciting.